Welcome to Inclined Mathematics. In this video, we are going to discuss some derivatives of the functions. First of all, if anybody not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Yeah. Suppose if we have to solve any differential equation, we need to know derivatives of some functions, whether they are standard functions or trigonometric functions, inverse trigonometric, hyperbolic and inverse hyperbolic functions. We need to know the derivatives of functions, right? In this video, we are going to discuss the derivatives of the all functions. First, derivatives of the some standard functions. First one, d by dx of x. d by dx of x can be written as 1. Directly, you can written d by dx of x as 1. Next, d by dx of x to the power of n. Whenever you see derivatives of the x to the power of n can be anything, 0, 1, 2, either minus 1, minus 2. N can be integer, right? D by dx of x to the power of n can be written as n into x to the power of n minus 1. This is the derivative of x to the power of n. Next, d by dx of e to the power of x. E to the power of x derivative is e to the power of x only. Derivative of the a to the power of x can be written as a to the power of x into log a. Okay. Next, d by dx of log x. Log x derivative is 1 by x. And d by dx of 1 by x. d by dx of 1 by x can be written as minus 1 by x square. Okay. Next, d by dx of 1 by x to the power of n, that is minus n by x to the power of n plus 1. d by dx of root x can be written as 1 by 2 root x. d by dx of 1 by x, you can see here 1 by x can be written as x to the power of minus 1, right? So you can apply this formula, you will get this one. d by dx of x to the power of n, 1 by x to the power of n can be written as x to the power of minus n. So same apply this formula, you will get this one. d by dx of root x can be written as x to the power of 1 by 2, right? So n value is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 x to the power of 1 by 2 minus 1, you will get 1 by 2 root x. Next, we will see some derivatives of trigonometric functions. Trigonometric functions. Derivatives of trigonometric functions. We have 6 functions here: sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Derivative of the sine x is cos x. Derivatives of sin x can be written as cos x. Similarly, derivative of the cos x can be written as minus sin x. d by dx of derivative of the tan x can be written as secant square x. Derivative of the cosec x can be written as minus cosec x into secant x. Minus cosec x into cot x. Next, derivative of the sec x can be written as minus sec x into tan x. Next, d by dx of cot x can be written as minus cosec square x. Okay, these are the 6 trigonometric functions derivatives. Next, we will look upon inverse trigonometric functions. Here you can see inverse trigonometric functions. The derivatives of the sine inverse x. The derivative of the sine inverse x can be written as 1 by square root 1 minus x square. Similarly, the derivative of the cos inverse x can be written as same but minus 1 by square root 1 minus x square. Okay. Next, tan inverse x derivative can be written as 1 by 1 plus x square. There is no root here. And you can see the derivative of the cosecant inverse x. Cosecant inverse x means 1 by modulus x into square root x square minus 1. Next, the derivative of the secant inverse x, same but no minus here, mod x into x square minus 1. Next, the derivative of the cot inverse x can be written as similarly tan inverse x, but here minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Here you can see the hyperbolic functions. There are 6 hyperbolic functions are there: sin hx, cos hx, tan hx, and similarly their inverse functions, right? The derivative of the sin hx can be written as cos hx, and similarly the derivative of the cos hx can be written as sin hx. There is no change in the sign. Okay. Next, tan hx derivative can be written as secant h square x. Derivative of the cot hx can be written as minus cosecant h square x. Okay. Derivative of the secant hx can be written as minus secant hx into tan hx. Okay. Next, the derivative of the cosecant hx can be written as minus cosecant hx into cot hx. These are the derivatives of the hyperbolic functions. Next, we will see the derivatives of the inverse hyperbolic functions. Here you can see the inverse hyperbolic functions: sin h inverse x, cos h inverse x, tan h inverse x, cot h inverse x, and cosecant h inverse x, secant h inverse x. The derivatives of the inverse hyperbolic functions can be written as sin h inverse x derivative can be written as 1 by square root 1 plus x square, and cos h inverse derivative is 1 by square root x square minus 1. Tan h inverse x derivative can be written as 1 by 1 minus x square. Similarly, cot h inverse x is 1 by 1 minus x square. Secant h inverse x is minus 1 by x into square root 1 minus x square. Cosecant h inverse x is minus 1 by mod x into square root 1 plus x square. Okay, these are the derivatives of the inverse hyperbolic functions. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for further videos. We will discuss the problems on differential equations in the next videos. Thank you.